everyone, today I am thrilled to introduce you to one of the fastest growing project in crypto, CoinFlow, a next generation Web3 lending platform focused on stable yields, global communities and decentralized traffic distribution. So you can see on my interface, but before that, if you are new on my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon to also you will get a notification of my new videos in the future. So with just 9 days, you can see until their official launch, now it is the perfect time to get familiar and take early advantage. But do your own research before investing in any kind of project. This video is for educational purpose. CoinFlow stand out by others by their KYC completed in smart contract, fully audited. They have global support and decentralized growth ecosystem, lending rewards and the referral bonuses, transparent contract logic and beginners. So it is friendly UI, perfect for new users. So if you are a new user, don't be worried. It is easy to use. You can see their launch time, which is about just 9 days left. CoinFlow is set to officially launch on August 10th. All core feature will be live on launch day. Get familiar with the platform in advance and be ready to act fast after do your own research. So you can see their details and the coin flow. Their vision is building the global Web3 onboarding platform with a mission to connect users and tasks via communities, create a decentralized interaction layer between projects and users. They return traffic and incentive back to their users. They have their phase growth, which is three-phase growth. You can see they have on chain and other details, community expansion plus the basic reward, global proposal system, tier 1. In phase 3 they will go for the DAO governance. You can see you can easily be able to connect it with your wallet. The entire platform run on smart contracts, fully automated, no manual intervention. You can see it is connected now. All action begin with the approve authorization. Earning can be withdrawn instantly. You can see their tokens are given USDT, USDC, ETH, and the furthermore which is given here is the TRX. How to get income? Do not send fund directly to the contact, it cannot recover. So you have to go for it here, you have to approve, and after that you can get your money from here. All action begins with the approve authorization. You can see contract address and audit reports will be announced via their Telegram, their Twitter channels period to their launch. So and they have given here the details. Furthermore, you can see the details. If I go back and share with you about the main thing, the top right language toggle show their language, and you can see they have the instant deposit and the withdrawals. Your assets are secured by open sources and smart. You can see you can go for that which is debit and credit per second yields. You can invite, I will share that thing with you, and you can invite friends from here. But you can see you hold 100 ETH drop from $3,600 to $3,300, a $30,000 unrealized loss. But if those 100 ETH were staked on CoinFlow, you would earn 0.5 ETH per day, which will be equal to 15 ETH per month and $50,000 per month, which is a biggest amount for you. So do your own research before doing work on it. This is the educational video. So more than covering the loss and generating profit, you can see here was the option for invite friends and earn 10% of their earning, a steam passive income. You can join them on their Twitter, and you can see their details. Stay up to date with the latest announcement on their Twitter and also on their Telegram, which is given here. You can see you can join the Telegram too for furthermore details, and they have the regional communities groups expanding, and furthermore you can see the details on it too. CoinFlow is not just another launch, it's a rare early stage opportunity. This video is an introductory overview. Full tutorials and FAQs walkthroughs are coming soon, and do your own research before investing in any kind of project here. So you can join, understand the mechanism and be ready.